Hey everyone! Get ready to have your mind blown with the easiest dessert you'll ever make. Today, we're whipping up a viral sensation, 3-ingredient coconut pistachio cream cheese chocolate biscuit bites. Seriously, just 3 main ingredients stand between you and dessert heaven. Let's dive in. First up, our delicious base, chocolate biscuits. Grab about 200 grams of your favorite chocolate biscuits. Crush them into fine crumbs. You can use a food processor for speed, or just pop them in a bag and use a rolling pin. It's surprisingly satisfying. Next, for our creamy core, take 200 grams of softened full-fat cream cheese. Add it to a bowl. For that extra tropical hint, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut here. Mix it until it's super smooth and creamy. This is going to be so dreamy. Now the magic happens. Slowly add your crushed biscuit crumbs into the cream cheese and coconut mixture. Fold everything together until it forms a cohesive dough-like consistency. It should be easy to work with and smell absolutely divine. Time to get rolling. Take small, even portions of your mixture and gently roll them between your palms to form perfect bite-sized balls. These are going to be so addictive, trust me. And for the grand finale, our vibrant pistachio coating. Roll each creamy ball generously in about 100 grams of finely crushed pistachios. The beautiful green color and crunchy texture are just irresistible. Almost there. Place your gorgeous pistachio bites onto a plate or tray. Now pop them into the refrigerator for just 15 to 20 minutes to set. This chilling time helps them firm up and taste even better. A little patience and you'll be rewarded. And there you have it, your incredible, no-bake, 3-ingredient coconut pistachio cream cheese chocolate biscuit bites are ready to devour. So easy, so delicious, and absolutely perfect for any occasion. Try this recipe and prepare to impress. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more unbelievably easy and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching. Ciao!